Every goal that you made for yourself in 2026 is drenched in baby oil and it's slipping away from you, right? It's slipping away from you faster than Diddy sliding in baby oil. Because every year you make these New Year's resolutions. You say you're going to get in the gym. You're going to start eating better. You're going to start, being consistent on your training plan, starting that new thing, yada, yada. But then you keep putting baby oil all over these goals and they just slip away from you, right? You can't hold on to them because they're so slippery, right? Your mindset is so slippery, right? And when I'm talking about baby oil, I'm not talking about the same baby oil that Diddy uses. I'm talking about the baby oil of excuses, the baby oil of the terrible mindsets that you put over your goals, the baby oil of the identity that you put over your goals, over that dream physique that you want, over whatever it is you're wishing to accomplish in 2026. You have all of these things sabotaging you, making them slip away, making your goals slip away from you, right? You need to remove the baby oil out of your life. Remove all of these things that are keeping you from your goals, right? Because the average man, literally, metaphorically, pours baby oil all over their goals and their dreams and aspirations, right? And this comes in the form of saying things like, oh, I don't have time for the gym because I'm too busy. I have exams. I work a full-time job. Or saying things like, oh, I have, bad genetics, yada, yada. It's, certain mindsets that you have, right? Maybe you're black pill and you feel like the way you are is the way you are and you're a sub 5 or whatever the hell that means. And you feel like you can't change, right? Maybe that the baby oil that you're pouring over your life is the identity. Maybe you just don't see yourself as someone who actually is in shape. You don't view yourself as the version of yourself that you want to be, right? Maybe that's the type of baby oil that you're pouring over your goals and the things that you want to be, right? Because there's a version of yourself that exists out there. There's a version of yourself that you want to be, that be the ideal self, the version of you that works out, that trains, right? That gets the choosing signals. That's confident. That's self-actualized. But you can't achieve that version of yourself if you keep pouring baby oil all over that version of yourself, because that version of yourself is slipping away from you, right? You keep trying to grab onto that version of yourself, but it's just slippery. He's slipping and sliding everywhere because he's covered in baby oil. The version of yourself that you want to be in 2026, the reason why you don't have, the reason why you're not him right now is because you've covered that version of yourself in baby oil and it's slipping away from you, right? It's time to remove the baby oil off of that version of yourself, right? That means removing the excuses, right? Removing certain mindsets that are holding you back, removing certain identities that don't match the identity that you want to have. For example, for me, the version of myself that I want to be is lean, right? But for those guys that don't know, I tore my Achilles way back in June, July, right? And in that time, I've turned into a big back. I developed the identity of a big back, and the version of myself that I needed to be was drenched in baby oil, right? I started making excuses and stuff. I started eating a lot more food and feeling sorry for myself in that time and distracting myself with comfort during that time. And don't get me wrong, like I was injured and obviously, there's not really much I can do in that situation. But after a certain point, once I was back on my feet again, I noticed that my eating habits were all messed up. And I noticed that the food, the diet that I had at that moment, once I was back in the gym, it was literally keeping me away from being the version of myself that I wanted to be, right? The food, the diet, the habits that I had with my diet were like the baby oil that I was putting on the version of myself that was slipping away from me, right? And I realized, okay, I need to change my diet. I need to eat like the person that is 12 to 13% body fat. That's why I had to switch out my whole diet plan. I had to stop eating out as much. I had to stop having so many desserts because I got a sweet tooth, right? I know myself. I had to get it out of my environment. I had to, I had to position myself in a way to where it's more probable that I would eat the foods that are actually proper, that would actually suit the goal that I was going for, right? That is the baby oil that I had in my life that I had to get rid of, right? I had to wipe the baby oil off of the version of myself that I wanted to be so then it could stop slipping away from me. Now, since I've done that, I've slowly stripped away that baby oil off the version of myself that I want to be. It's now in reach. I can actually hold on to that version of myself. I could visibly see it as I'm attaining this goal, because since I've changed up my diet and I've changed up the way that my eating habits, I notice I'm getting leaner. I've dropped about like at least 6 to 10 pounds in that time because I've got rid of that baby oil in my life. I got rid of the foods that weren't serving me, the certain identity that wasn't serving me anymore, right? That the version of me that's a big back, the version of me that's eating out all the time, eating food and just being just a big back. I had to let go of that version of myself, that, metaphorical baby oil, and embrace the version of myself that I want to be. And now I feel myself getting closer to that version of myself. The more I look in the mirror, I can see myself getting leaner day by day. I'm making progress, and I can see myself holding on to that version of myself, and I can feel it. I can feel it actually being tangible. It actually becomes evidence, right? So the question I have for you today is, what type of baby oil are you pouring over the version of yourself that's keeping you from there? Maybe for you, you're making excuses, right? Maybe you're making excuses. Maybe your baby oil is saying you don't have time for the gym, right? Maybe it's saying that you have a busy schedule and you're in school, you work a full-time job, you have exams. Maybe your metaphorical baby oil is the mindset that you have. Maybe you have a victim mentality. Maybe you think, whoa, the world is the woe is me, everyone's against me. Maybe the baby oil you have is a fixed mindset. You feel like where you are is where you are and you can't change, right? Maybe the baby oil that you have poured over the version of yourself that you want to be is maybe it's bad habits. Maybe you're like me. Maybe your eating habits are not where they need to be. Maybe you're eating out a lot, right? Maybe you're not acting like the version of yourself you want to be. The point I'm trying to make here is that we all have this metaphorical baby oil in our lives that's keeping us away from being the version of ourselves that we need to, that we want to be and need to be, right? So I encourage you to stop being Diddy. Stop acting like Diddy and playing in baby oil, and remove the baby oil out of your life so that you can be the version of yourself that you want to be, right? By the way, if you need help being the version of yourself that you want to be through your physique, and you need a training plan and you're not sure where to start, you're not sure what type of workouts you need to do, how your nutrition needs to be, and you're trying to make a night and day transformation through your physique and build a physique that commands attention, that bores the audience, you're trying to be the best version of yourself in 2026, hit the link in the description. Book a one-on-one consultation, book a day and time. We'll have a little conversation and we'll see how we can come up with a plan, a nutrition plan, training plan, workout plan, mindset plan, so that you can actually build a physique that commands attention, that bores the audience, so that you can make that night and day transformation. Right? So if that sounds like you, hit the link in the description, book a day and time, and we'll see if it makes sense to work together so that we can help you build a physique that you're proud of in 2026. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. And remember to stop playing in that baby oil. And also remember, there's nothing enlightening but playing small. I'm gonna catch up, boys. See ya.